We are going to study the reactions of Pb2 plus. To study the reactions of Pb2 plus, I have a lead salt that is called a lead nitrate. Lead nitrate has got Pb2 plus as the cation and NO3 minus as the anion. So we are going to do the test of Pb2 plus. So the reagent needed is dilute HCl. Take the salt solution in a test tube. This is a salt solution and this is a soluble one. Normally lead salts are, some of the salts are insoluble, but here we have the soluble lead salt. So we are dissolving the salt in water. This is distilled water. So this is lead. Lead salt is dissolved in water. As I have shown in the table, dilute HCl is needed as a reagent. Dilute HCl. So into that I am going to add dilute hydrochloric acid. Let us see. You watch. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added. Okay, you can see white, dense precipitate. What may be this precipitate? Lead Pb2 plus combined with the hydrochloric acid. It is nothing other than PbCl2. You can see the heaviness. Lead is a heavy metal. You can see that the precipitate is settling down. This is a preliminary test for Pb2 plus. Yes, I have an aqueous solution of a lead salt, Pb2 plus. So we have done the preliminary test. Now the confirmatory test. Take the salt solution, original salt solution, and I will be adding potassium chromate into that, potassium chromate. See the color of potassium chromate? Yes. So I will be adding potassium chromate into this. Okay, students, please observe the color. What an yellow color. Yellow colored precipitate. So think about the mechanism. Pb2 plus is there. This is potassium chromate. It will contain chromate ions. Think about the reaction. Lead chromate. This yellow precipitate is nothing other than lead chromate. Not over. We have got one more confirmatory test for Pb2 plus. Let us see the second confirmatory test for Pb2 plus. So we have got potassium iodide. Potassium iodide. So I am going to add potassium iodide into this. Let us see the reaction when potassium iodide is added. So it is again something just like a miracle. Two colorless solutions. One was lead nitrate, colorless. Potassium iodide, almost colorless. When mixed, you see it is yellow precipitate. Not over. This precipitate is going to dissolve in hot water. It is nothing other than PbI2, lead iodide, because Pb2 plus has combined with the potassium iodide, giving PbI2, which is an yellow precipitate. It will dissolve in hot water, so I have to heat it. After adding distilled water, I will heat it and we will see what will happen. Students, I added distilled water into PbI2, the yellow precipitate. You can see that the yellow precipitate is gradually dissolving. The heating is going on. You can see it is boiling. If you want, you can use a test tube holder. Okay, the precipitate is gradually dissolving. And now what we will do is, we will keep this one under tap water. So this will be kept under tap water. We have to cool it. Gradually we have to cool it. You will see miracle here. Oh, something is glittering inside. Something is glittering. I will show you. Please watch. It is called a golden spangles. This test is a very famous one. This test is called a Golden Spangles test. It is answered by Pb2 plus. How we have done this test? Salt solution, we added potassium iodide, we got PbI2, yellow precipitate. We added distilled water and boiled. And the hot solution was suddenly cooled. On cooling, Pb, it is reappearing in the form of PbI2 is reappearing in the form of golden spangles. That's a test for Pb2 plus.